قلبي على جنة الخير هلا حني قلبي على جنة الخير هلا يا هلا ويا هلا ويا هلا ويا هلا يا هلا ويا هلا ويا هلا ويا هلا حني قلبي على جنة الخير هلا حني قلبي على جنة الخير هلا بالحب اجتمعنا وربنا يحييكم بالحب اجتمعنا وربنا يحييكم بالحب اجتمعنا وربنا يحييكم بالحب اجتمعنا وربنا يحييكم مرحبا ويا هلا فيكم انتم منا واحنا فيكم بالمحبة نحييكم يا هلا ويا هلا مرحبا ويا هلا فيكم انتم منا واحنا فيكم بالمحبة نحييكم يا هلا ويا
Welcome, Al-Baruni Education System, Excellence in Learning. Welcome, Al-Haram Model High School, Shining Brilliance. Welcome, Arfin Education System, Inspiring Young Minds. Welcome, Career Girls School and College, Nurturing Future Leaders. Welcome, Fauji Foundation Model School, Commitment to Success. Welcome, Foundation Model Public School, Pride of the Community. Welcome, Imran Public School and College, a tradition of achievement. Welcome, Ikra Grammar Public School, knowledge and discipline. Welcome, Kids School and College, joyful learning. Welcome, Khyber Grammar Boys Junior, bright young stars. Welcome, Khyber Grammar Girls Campus, shining scholars. Welcome, Khyber Grammar Cadet Campus, courage and excellence. Welcome, Leaders Grammar School, future leaders. Welcome, Lyceum International Early Years and Girls, creativity and growth. Welcome, Lyceum International Main Branch, excellence and inspiration. Welcome, Modern Public High School, knowledge and confidence. Welcome, Noble Grammar School and College, dedication and success. Welcome, Oxford Model High School, commitment to excellence. Welcome, Telecom Foundation School and Colleges System, innovation in learning. Welcome, the Global Montessori Junior Branch, bright beginnings. Welcome, the Global Montessori Main Branch, growing young minds. Welcome, the Founders School, hosts with pride and vision.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Abdul Jabbar from the Founders School. We warmly welcome you all to the 10th annual District Oratory and Urdu Debate Championship 2026. And Urdu Debate Championship 2026. This day celebrates confidence, skill and the joy of speaking from the heart. We are honored to welcome our schools joining us for these wonderful gatherings. Each placard using represent our school favorite pride, learning and young stars. Today is about learning expression and celebrating every child's voice. We appreciate every student who came today to speak the Quran and thank you. Let us listen with respect and speak with kindness and support one another. Together we create a doorway of positivity, courage and inspiration. Once again, welcome to 10th Annual District and Oratory and Urdu Debate Championship 2026. Let this beautiful event begin. Thank you.